So I've got two Cartier pieces to show you. I'm going to go through the pricing and discuss my thoughts. But if you love Cartier as much as I do, keep on watching. Hi my loves, welcome back. So today I've got a couple of reveals for you. For those of you that have come straight from my vlog, if you haven't, I will link it above. I did a Cartier vlog, I show you all the eye candy, I try lots of things on. So if you haven't been to Cartier and you want to take a look what's in there, check out that vlog. But yes, I did order something and yes, I did pick it up. I actually have two things, but there is a little bit of a story I'll go into. So we are going to get right into the reveals because I'm so excited to show you. So a lot of you are surprised because do you know I actually only own one Cartier piece? Well, no, I have a watch that's handed down to me by my late mother-in-law, but in recent years I only have the Cartier love bracelet in the 4 diamonds, and I bought this August, September 2018. And so it's been a while since I've really gone to Cartier and felt like I wanted a piece. So let me start off with what's in this bag. And this is actually a kind gift from my fabulous sales associate. Even though I haven't shopped from Cartier for a while, you guys know I always go there each year to get the red envelopes for me. And she's wonderful. Even though I haven't bought anything, she still gives them to me to give to you guys. So she gave me this, and let me just unbox it because I'm not even sure what it is. This is the first gift I've ever got, so I was like, oh, that is so nice of her to give me this. And in here, let's see what it is. Oh, beautiful. It's a candle. It's the Cartier, well, it says Cartier at the back, and it's got, I think that's a panther, but it's got spots on there. But, you know, the panther is the mascot sort of for Cartier. So this is just really simple, elegant. It says even Cartier here. It smells lovely. So that is such a thoughtful gift. So it comes in the beautiful box. And then I just saw here, yes, it is a panther as I suspected. And yeah, it says that Cartier pays tribute to the panther, an inspiration for the Maison since 1914, by adorning the glass with its elegant profile. How lovely, very elegant indeed. Okay, next up is something in this bag here. Now you guys would not guess this item because I only got it about a week and a bit ago, and I didn't buy it from the boutique. And you're thinking, huh, Mel? I've never mentioned this. I stumbled across this and I actually bought it from pre-loved from Fashion File. Now I've already removed it because I love it. And Fashion File, I think, I can't remember, a month or so ago, they were having a bit of a sale. There was a sale happening and I was just, you know, browsing through and I saw this. And I'm like, that's really nice. Is that current range? Is that, I've never seen that before. And let me just show you what it is. So it came full set with the box, with the certificate, everything. And let me show you what it is. So to open it up, you just push this and there you go. Might be a bit hard to see, but I will do a close-up. And this is Cartier Love Laria, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, necklace. So it is a Y-shaped necklace. It is from the Love collection, but it's discontinued. And I didn't even know that they made this. I have no idea how long ago they discontinued it, but this one was in excellent condition. It is white gold, and I actually love this style of necklace, this, you know, Y-shaped necklace. I think it just looks so nice. I'm going to put it on for you when you have a lower neckline, and it just, you know, enhances the décolleté area. So let me put it on. Okay, so I've put it on, and how beautiful is it? So as I said, it's in white gold. When I take a look at the certificate, it actually says the date of purchase was in August 2006. So this necklace is like 15 years old. And whoever the previous owner was took really good care of it, because there's very, very, very minor hairline scratches, but it is, as the condition stated, in excellent condition. So the best thing is that I love, you guys know, I love buying pre-loved. I love going on the hunt. I didn't even know this existed. And do you know how much I paid for this? I paid 1,115 US dollars, which is such a good deal. If you look at the website now, for any of the necklaces, they range a few thousand now. And Cartier's prices are just going up and up and up. It is just crazy. So I love how simplistic this is, how elegant this is. I encourage you guys, look in the pre-loved market. Sometimes you can find really good deals on Cartier pieces as well, especially if they've been discontinued. So as much as I love buying new from the boutique, which I, you know, have done, I've got this piece to show you, I'm so happy with this find. So yeah, if you're looking for a necklace, maybe search this up, because I just think it's so elegant. And yeah, what do you guys think? So the next piece, which I'm super excited to show you, and it did take me a while to pick my official second piece, because yeah, I just didn't love anything from Cartier, but I do love this. I will be sharing prices. I've got something to talk about with prices actually. And this is what I got. Now, a lot of you guessed in the last video what I got. I would say quite a few of you were right, but let me show you. So it's all wrapped up with the beautiful seal. I absolutely love this. I don't like damaging it. So let's see if I can open it up without damaging it. I love packaging. I love this seal. It's so old school, but there's just something so nice about it. Okay, so in this box, you can tell from the size of the box probably what I got. So no, it's not another bracelet, though. Oh gosh, their bracelets are beautiful. And in here, I picked, ta-da! So I got the beautiful double JUSTE CLOU ring in yellow gold with the diamonds. Now let me tell you why I picked this. Now I love the JUSTE CLOU bracelet, and you guys know on the vlog, if you want to see what it looks like on, go check the vlog. I tried the thin one, I tried the thick one. I love that. But I don't know. I'm still not sure. You guys know I've been on this journey to add something to my stack, and I just haven't found the piece that's sort of like spoken to me. But I love this ring. I don't see as many people have the double, and I just really love that it's a bit of a statement too, because you know, it is wrapped around twice. So I actually purchased this in the size 53 so that I could wear it on both fingers. So I can wear it on my ring finger, which it is a tad loose, but I can also wear it on my index finger. So that was the aim of it. So I think it looks good on both. I think it looks really nice. And I think with the JUSTE CLOU, it is better to size up a touch, because the nail head can dig into your skin, though the size 52 didn't. But I'm thinking, you know, just for comfort wise, I prefer it slightly looser than tighter. And that is what it looks like on my ring finger. And I just love it. It is expensive, guys. This is so much more expensive than just the plain. So just to let you know, Juste CLOU means just a nail. And in this range, it comes in the rings, it comes in the bracelet, as you know, it comes in earrings, necklaces. So it is a very popular line. I would say the second most popular next to the Love collection. It was originally created in the 1970s, then reintroduced back in the 2000s. And it's just so popular. Very modern, very edgy, and just clean too. So let me share with you the price because it is very expensive. And so this version is 6,250 Australian dollars. So this is for the double with the diamonds, and the rose gold is the same price. If you wanted the white gold, you've got to pay a few $100s more. Now, one discovery that I did find, and it was quite interesting, is that did you know this particular ring, for all my US family out there, if you wanted to get this ring, it is like $500 cheaper in the USA. Yes, even with your tax. Well, approximately $500. And I don't know why Australia is so expensive. Everything down here is so expensive. Once you go to the plain Juste CLOU, so no diamonds, anything, that doesn't make as much of a difference, maybe less than $100. But I find generally with Cartier, it's not a huge price difference, but geez, Australia didn't used to be that much more expensive than the USA. But for me, it is absolutely worth it because I wanted something that was a little bit different. I mean, I can't say it's different, but it's just, yeah, I don't see people with the double as much. So that is my reveal. I love it. What do you guys think? Do you think it suits me? A lot of you guys thought I bought the Love Pave, and I love that. That might be next on my wish list. But because I have a love, I wanted the Juste CLOU. So for the Juste CLOU ring, if you didn't like the double, it does come in the smaller size, so the thin. It also comes in the regular size, which is thicker. But I actually didn't like that personally just on my fingers, but it's so classic. So there are a few options, the thin, the thicker one, diamonds, all over pave. I tried the all over pave in the white gold. I love that. Sunshine, that was actually Sunshine's favorite. So maybe, you never know in the future, but I'm really happy with this purchase. And that is it. So I have this beautiful ring now. I have this pre-loved Laria necklace, and then my love diamond bangle. So this was just a gift from me to me, you know, for Love Month. And actually, I do have more reveals for you. It's just a little bit delayed because hubby's present's a little bit delayed. So I will review to you in a separate video what I got for Valentine's, not really Valentine, I guess Valentine's Day, Love Month, and what I got him as well. So stay tuned for that. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to join the family. Guess what? We are almost at 250K. We're nearly there. So I'm already thinking, what are we going to do? We're going to celebrate. We're going to do something big. Do you want to design a bag? Do you want designer accessories? Comment below some of your suggestions because it's coming up. So big kisses, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.